Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us learn V words. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready.
Okay then, let's go. V for violin.
V for violin.
V for volcano.
V for volcano.
V for vase.
V for vase.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
V for vegetables.
V for vegetables.
V for van.
V for van.
V for vest.
V for vest.
V for volleyball.
V for volleyball.
That's amazing. We have learned so many V words together. Van, violin, vegetables, volcano, vase. That's really awesome work. Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye bye, friends.